out there. Yeah, he's gone. He's gonna be way down here now with those ones. I don't think we'll spot him anymore. I don't see him anymore yet. It's too rough. Oh. Thought I saw his head, but I didn't think so. He's got to be going way down there, like 2 or 3 o'clock now, probably.
I don't see him at all.
No. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that outside wave coming up.
Way down here? Yeah, it's huge.
Ooh, beautiful.
Right there. I see him.
Oh yeah.
Right about where the waves, see him?
Yeah. Yeah.
He's into that wave now. He's in.
He'll be in Daytona any moment.
He's almost getting out there. See him? He's got about... He's almost out there where the big ones are. You can see him, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, he gets beyond this one bay, he's going to have some fun. But he's getting, oh, no, he pulled him back.